Good morning, happy Monday. Welcome back to Monday Minds season 3. So this season I have chosen to narrate story is because it's very easy to understand and you can be relatable as well. And before getting started, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all staying at home safe and strong. So without wasting time, let's get started with the story. Today's story is something that I believe you would have heard in your childhood. So it's about a father and son along with a donkey. So let's get started with the story. There was a village where lived a father and son, and they had pet a donkey. So basically there was one day where this father decided to go to town and bring couple of goods for his daily uses, and he decided to take donkey and his son along with him to the town so that he can purchase the goods and he can come back to the village. So finally, these three started walking towards the town while there was a bunch of people who were sitting idle. And while these three were walking on the way, these people started laughing at them. These father and son were quite amazed, and they asked, "What happened? Why are you laughing at us?" So the bunch of people mentioned, "How silly of you that when you have a donkey you still are walking. Why don't one of you just sit on it and take a ride to the town?" So the father and son felt what they said was right, so they decided this. Because the son was really young, he was a small kid, the father decides that let the kid sit on the donkey and take a ride till the town. And that's what they did. So they were just moving ahead, and there was another pit stop where there was a lady who met them, and she was also laughing at them. And these people asked, "Why? Like, why are you laughing at us?" So the lady said, "How silly of you that when there is father who is an elder figure whom we usually, our culture is to respect elders, and while there is an elder person, how can a small boy sit on the donkey and take a ride instead of giving the respect to his father?" So these people felt, I think what she said was right. He should, the kid should get down and the father has to sit on the donkey and he has to take a ride till the town. So that's what they did. And again, they moved ahead, and a group of ladies who were washing clothes in the river, and they started laughing at this father and son duo. Again, these people were like, "Why the hell are these ladies laughing now? Because we have been listening to everybody's suggestions, everybody's advice, we have been following everything, but still people are laughing at us." So these father and son get frustrated, and they ask those ladies that, "Why are you laughing at us?" So those ladies will tell them that how stupid of you that, being an elder person, you're making that small little poor boy walk on the by his feet, and you're not letting him take a ride on donkey. So these people will think, okay, all right, what they said is also right. So again, the father decides that both father and son will sit on the donkey and take the ride, and that's what they do. So finally, there is just like 3 kilometers away from the town, and there they meet an old man who will come near the donkey, and he says, "Poor little donkey, these father and son are sitting on you, and this donkey looks so tired. How cruel of you to do that to this small animal." So these people felt, okay, what they said is also right, let me just listen to that person also, he'll also be happy. So finally these people decide that they'll carry the donkey on their shoulder, and that's what they did till the end. And while they were moving ahead, the entire town, they'll reach the town and the entire town will be laughing at them. And that's when they realize that why everybody has been laughing. We have been trying to listen to everybody. So basically here, the moral of the story is very simple. Do not try to please every single person. There will be a lot of 100 people will give you 1,000 suggestions, but it's necessary for you to analyze those suggestions. First you need to understand if those suggestions fit you. First of all, you need to understand what is the purpose of your life, and whatever the suggestions others are giving, will that actually help you to reach your purpose? Will that help you to reach your goal? It's not necessary that every advice that you get for free makes sense. So it's very important for you to verify those suggestions before you applying it in your life. Even during this COVID situation, there will be a lot of people who will be giving you a lot of suggestions, but please do take the right advice depending upon your personal situation that has happened. It's important for you to apply your common sense. Don't let it donkey around anybody else's advice. And keep a check on saturation, keep a check on your temperature, as well as just stay strong. That is the most important thing. Don't let your willpower, you know, get down. So this is the most important thing in this COVID situation. But apart from that, in your life as well, there'll be a lot of people who wants to donkey around you. I mean, with every decision of your life since your childhood, while you're studying till your best turning points of your life, people want to give free advice. But don't take it to your heart. I mean, that's what most of the idle people do, because they do not even ask what is that you want in your life, or what are the plans that you have for future. Just because they would have heard some suggestion is what they would want to imply that on your head. So don't, without using your common sense, please, without verifying the advices, please do not take it. And use your brains, use your common sense. That's the most important thing. So this is all about today's story and its moral. I hope this was really helpful for you. And take care. Have a great week. Do not forget to take care of your health, and stay home, stay safe.